Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today our topic is about data validation. So we are going to use some tools and functions to keep our data updated and validate our data. So here under the data we can find its function, and it's here located at data tools. It's located here data validation, and here when I click here you can see we have here circle invalid data if we have invalid data in our worksheet. So I just click here, you can see it automatically highlight the invalid data which are here. Also here, yes, you can see the invalid data here, and after that I can remove these circles here, clear validation circles. Yes, so and also when I click here you can see here we have the setting, we have the input message here and error alert. So in next videos I will go deep in each of these, and from here we have many options. Any value you can validate any value, and from here we have the whole number which should not be decimal, and here we have for decimal list we make drop down list. From here the list and date we validate date like between two dates, like for example here when we come to date we have between, we have not equal to, we have those logical conditions, not equal, greater or smaller. And here we have for the time also the same, we have the length of the text, it should be like 10, 12, 1 or 2, and this one is a custom, so we can write also the formula here. So as you can see it's very powerful, and whenever we want to remove the data validation, we just, when I click here I just clear the validation from this cell, but when I take this and clear all, I clear the entire validation from the entire worksheet. And after that, okay, yeah, so that's it about the introduction of data validation. And if I want to find the validation here, where in this worksheet I apply data validation, also I come to the home, and here I come to find and select. Here I have go to special. When I come here I come here data validation, choose this one, and okay, you can see I have applied data validation on this. Once again I just come to find, go to special, I select data validation all, and okay, yeah. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you so much.